Good afternoon, sir. My name is Poonam Rawat, B.Ed 4th semester, BGR Campus, Pauri. Today I am going to present on the topic biodiversity. Biodiversity, a celebration of life. First, we have to understand what is biodiversity. So, biodiversity is made up of two words, bio and diversity. Bio, which means life, and diversity, which means variation. By variation, I mean differences we find among the living organisms. We can say biodiversity as the variety of life forms found in a particular region. For example, we have so many plants and animals around us and even microorganisms around us. We can see that there are differences in their size, shape, color, height and structure, and even their habitat and mode of nutrition are different. So biodiversity can be defined as variation among living organisms. Next, types of biodiversity. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. First, let us explain about genetic diversity. So, genetic diversity refers to the variation among the genes which are found in nucleus of the cells. We all know that DNA is the building block of life, and we have various differences among DNAs in living organisms. For example, as you can see in the picture, this is a picture of banana. As you can see, there is a difference in their color and shape, even though they belong to the same species. So these are the results of genetic diversity. Next, I have species diversity. By species, I mean that a community or a group of living organisms which can interbreed among themselves are similar in their characteristics. For example, we humans, as we all know, we are humans, but we are different from animals, plants, and animals too also within are different from each other. So this is known as species diversity. Next is ecosystem diversity. So ecosystem is when the living and non-living components of the environment interact with each other and they interdepend on each other. And there are different types of ecosystem: terrestrial ecosystem and marine ecosystem. In terrestrial ecosystem, we have grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem and desert ecosystem. And in marine ecosystem, we have freshwater ecosystem and saline water ecosystem. So these all are different in ecosystem and it is termed as ecosystem diversity. Next, importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is very important and essential for all human beings as it provides many types of useful items such as food, cosmetic products, pharmaceuticals. By pharmaceuticals, I mean medicines, crop livestock, fishery, wood, fibers, rubber, etc. And even our food is derived from biodiversity. And ecological stability. As we all know, all the living organisms have a right to exist. Then we have ethical importance. All species have a right to exist. Then we have scientific importance. As we all know, the biodiversity is a pool of data and we can understand more about biodiversity, so we can innovate towards the biodiversity development. And next is recreation. So tourism is the biggest source of ecosystem as there are many examples of national sanctuaries, national parks, biospheres. We can all profit from there. Then what is biodiversity loss? For example, if there is decrease in the number of any species, ecosystem or any type of hindrance or disturbance in habitat of any living organisms, it results in the loss of biodiversity, and there are many causes behind it. Let us see the causes. So first cause is dry wetlands, deforestation, poaching, hunting, overfishing, wildlife trafficking, bird trade and urbanization, pollution, overgrazing, dam construction, habitat loss and climate change. These are the major causes of biodiversity loss. Thank you.